Alright guys, here we are picking up an international service truck. Got our partner Jay riding with us. I'm gonna have to unlock the boxes and stuff. Actually, they should be unlocked already. We're gonna have to use like the 4-inch forks. I got them on this side in that long box. No, this long box. It's probably gonna have to be those ones. Those bigger ones, yeah. Back me up. Should be able to see right where you got to hook it to right there. Other way. And you gotta get that on the inside of that. So you see where there's a bar right here. See? Here, let me go up and I'll tilt it down a little bit more. Watch out. Now try. Has it passed it? Right there. Okay, you good? Yep. Alright. Pull that, yeah.
Go down.
Make sure it's, watch out. That side's got to drop down a little bit more there.
This one?
Yeah, I'll get it. Watch out. Cool. I just don't know why it's so much more like... Okay. Oh, because you got that fork spun around. You have to spin that fork back the other way. So just spin it, yep. There you go. Here, I need to go down more. There you go. Is it on it? make sure that this one's hooked up on it right here. Hooked, hooked. Good deal. All right, cool.
Right?
Huh? I got some straps, but yeah, we are not going to be able to put the straps on there, which is fine. Just throw some safety chains on it. Do you want me to give you a shout out when we drop it off there?
That'd be cool.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got
Okay.
Why don't you come over? Can't just let you go.
Oh, turn off the steering wheel, guys. It's in the front left box, the skinny one. Is this truck lock or no? No, it doesn't have auto locks. All right, cool. All right, we're just gonna throw a tag light on here and we're gonna get out of here.
I got a couple pins for you guys. I thought it
sweet.
was cool that Johnny was hauling Johnny Rotten around today.
Yeah, cool. Hey, I appreciate this. I like these pens. Thank you, sir.
Here, thanks.
Hey, yeah, you too. Johnny's just hauling Johnny Rotten. He just gave us these pens. I like my customers. You give me different stuff all the time. You might be able to, no, it ain't gonna work in there.
Bumper.
Yeah, you're gonna have to do the bumper. Yeah, I would just hook it right back to the top part of itself. Yep. Yeah, we're gonna hook it there. Hit that toggle switch right there. Alright. I'm not concerned about it going anywhere. Let's do it. Let's hit the road, Jack. Wait, coming back. No more, no more. Ooh, I actually... when it turns, is it gonna get caught up in there? Probably not. Alright, guys. It's another load up. Hooking and booking. Get a photo here. Ready to rock and roll, ski.